In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the image zoom on your Shopify store. This can be a great way to enhance the presentation of your products and provide your customers with an improved viewing experience. First, we'll want to log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen and locate the Online Store tab. Click on it, and this will direct you to a list of options. Select themes from this list. You'll see the list of themes that you have either published or uploaded. If you're working with multiple themes, make sure you have the correct one that you want to edit currently published. Now let's move forward and look for the Customize button. Once you click on this, you'll be taken to the theme editor, where you can start making adjustments. Within the theme editor, navigate to the section where your products are displayed. This could vary based on your theme, but usually, it's under sections that contain product pages or products. Take a moment to find the right section for your product listing. It might take a bit of time if you're not familiar with your theme customization options. Once you're in the correct section, you'll want to look around for an option labeled Image Zoom or something similar. This may be a toggle or checkbox, depending on your theme. If you click or toggle it, you'll be able to either enable or adjust the image zoom settings for your product images. Some themes might offer additional settings, allowing you to specify the type or intensity of the zoom. It's worth taking a little experiment time to see how each setting affects the image zoom to ensure it matches your vision for your product display. After configuring your desired zoom settings, it's crucial to preview the changes you've made. Themes usually have a preview screen, but I recommend opening a live preview in a separate browser tab. This allows you to see exactly how the zoom behaves in a real-world scenario, much like what your customers will experience when viewing your store. Navigate through a few products and see how the changes look. Ensure that the zoom is neither too subtle nor too pronounced, keeping the overall shopping experience smooth. After you're satisfied with the zoom functionality on your product images, don't forget to save your changes. The Save button is often located towards the upper right of the theme editor. Once saved, these changes will be live on your online store. I suggest monitoring customer feedback regarding this new feature and tweaking it as needed to meet their needs. Adjusting the image zoom not only enhances the visual appeal of your product images but also assists customers in making informed buying decisions.